Welcome to Copyright School. Getting a copyright strike can be a stressful experience, but you're in the right place. When you successfully complete Copyright School, strikes applied against you, as long as you have fewer than 3 active strikes, will expire after 90 days from the time they were issued, and you should leave with a deeper understanding of how copyright works on YouTube, helping you avoid copyright strikes in the future. Copyright gives the creator of an original work certain exclusive rights to determine how their work can be reproduced, modified, performed, displayed, or distributed. That typically means you can't use someone else's videos, music, or other copyrighted work in your videos without permission, unless an exception to copyright such as fair use applies. Simply crediting the owner or using disclaimers like "all rights go to the author" doesn't automatically grant permission to use copyrighted content. YouTube responds to allegations of copyright infringement when we're properly notified about it. We take abuse of copyright holders' rights very seriously and have processes in place to handle these claims. When a copyright removal request is submitted, we review it. Then if we determine that it appears valid, we remove the material from YouTube and issue a strike. If we detect fraud or abuse, we may take corrective action. This can include issuing warnings, terminating accounts, or pursuing further legal action. In Copyright School, you'll see a sequence of 4 situations designed to help you explore how copyright works on YouTube. We'll break down the basics, bust common myths, and explain what happens when copyright issues arise. After you answer each question, you'll get feedback and a helpful explanation of the correct answer. Explore all the options to find the right answer. Wrong answers don't count against you. The most important thing is that you attempt all of the questions and pay attention to the feedback. Make sure to read through all 4 examples to complete Copyright School. If you close out before you complete it, your progress won't be saved and your strike won't expire. After completing Copyright School, if you still believe your video is taken down unfairly or by mistake or misidentification, you have a few options. You or someone representing you can reach out to the claimant and ask for a retraction. Their contact information should be available in the copyright notice and in YouTube Studio. Keep in mind that they may ask for compensation or may not respond at all. Or, if you believe the content was removed by mistake or misidentification, such as because your use was licensed or your use falls under a valid exception to copyright, such as fair use, you or someone representing you can file a legal notice known as a counter notification. This is a legal request for YouTube to reinstate content that was removed due to a copyright removal request. Be sure to include valid reasons for why you believe the copyright removal was unjustified. YouTube does not determine ownership or mediate on behalf of uploaders or content owners.